All right, it's been about 1 year since I first got my hands on the xTool F1 Ultra, so I just wanted to do a video discussing just what this laser is and how it's been holding up for me. Now, before we get started, what exactly is the xTool F1 Ultra? So this is a compact, dual source, 20 watt fiber and 20 watt diode laser that can engrave just about any material imaginable. It works with a number of xTool's accessories and has a built-in exhaust to vent the fumes. All of this comes in a completely enclosed compact package that can engrave something that's about 8.5 by 8.5 inches. Now, before we get too far into it, I should mention that xTool recently announced an addition to their fiber laser lineup with the F2 Ultra. So this new machine packs a 60 watt MOPA fiber and a 40 watt diode. It's got dual cameras, AI-driven color engraving, deeper cuts, thicker material handling, auto material detection, basically everything but the kitchen sink, but it does have a price tag to match that.
Just do a quick comparison between the two machines. So here we're looking at the F1 Ultra, and right now you can save $200 on it. This may change, but so you're looking at about $3,800. Now that is for just the standalone machine. I would at the very least add the rotary onto that. I think that's a really good option, and I think everybody really enjoys that. And to be honest, it's probably a good idea to pick up one of these material kits. They're pretty inexpensive for everything that you get in them, and it's just a lot of good stuff to start with. Now, you can upgrade that to the F2, but as you can see, it is substantially more expensive. So they offer this in a dual and single laser. I recommend getting the dual. That's got the 60 watt MOPA and the 40 watt diode. You could just get the single with just the 60 watt MOPA. You know, if you just wanted to do like metal engravings and stuff like that, that would work out well for you. But again, I would probably recommend just getting the one with both. And again, I would at the very least get the standalone and then add the RA2 Pro rotary onto that. So yeah, those are your costs. And I mean, this will be going up by the time you guys see this video. It'll be $6,500. So this is definitely a big jump in price, but I mean, you do get a lot more from it. So,
all right, let's get back to the F1 Ultra. At the heart of this machine is a Galvo laser system. That means that unlike many of the other diode lasers on the market, including the D1 and S1, the head of this laser is fixed, and it uses a series of mirrors to direct the beam. This results in much faster engraving. Now, this is how a lot of fiber lasers work, but what makes this one even more special is the fact that it's not just a fiber laser, it's also a diode laser. Both of these are 20 watts, and between the two lasers, you can engrave just about anything. From slate coasters, various types of metal jewelry, wood, leather, acrylic, and much more. All of it is no problem with this machine. The F1 Ultra features autofocus, a built-in camera, and fully enclosed construction. This makes it easier and safer to use than many of the other fiber lasers out there. It runs on XCS, or xTool Creative Space, which is xTool's homegrown proprietary software. You can download this from their website for free, and it works on Mac and PC. Now, it does have less control options when compared to something like Lightburn, but it's also much more user-friendly. I've been using a variety of lasers for a few years now, and I find that XCS does just about everything I need without feeling like I'm constantly fighting with the software or having to remind myself how to use certain features. They're constantly making improvements that either add features or make existing ones more streamlined. I know I may sound a bit biased, but I really am just a fan of the software. But if you're into that kind of thing, you can actually use Lightburn to control the F1. Just know that some of the features aren't going to work. First off, this is a great addition to any shop that's already making something, whether it's knives, cutting boards, or whatever really. This machine will allow you to personalize things and make them just that much more special. And I find that personalizing really helps sell stuff. Also, it's going to allow you to add more products to your existing lineup. Maybe you are already selling epoxy-coated tumblers. Now you can sell engraved ones too. This is also a great option for people who are looking to start their first side hustle. Its ease of use combined with the ability to engrave just about any material will allow you to make some amazing products. One of the most important things that I find when it comes to having a successful business is the ability to make things that other people can't. And this machine will definitely give you a clear advantage over them. Finally, it's just a fun machine to use and great for hobbyists. I enjoy being able to make gifts for friends and family and customize stuff around my house. If you like making stuff and are looking to expand your abilities, the F1 Ultra is definitely for you. It's also a great machine to use with your family. It's very user-friendly and has a lot of safety features built in. And this could be used to not only get your kids excited about making things, but also teach them about safety and running a business. This machine is definitely geared towards personalizing items. If you're looking to cut out larger pieces, this definitely isn't the tool for you. If you're just looking for something to engrave a single material like wood, again, probably not the machine for you. In both of those cases, I would recommend something like the S1 or the P2S, which are going to work much better for those situations. Also, if you're looking to cut metal, this isn't going to be the machine for you. It will cut very thin stuff, but if you want to be able to cut, 1/8 inch or something like that and make signs and all different sorts of parts, you're going to want to check out the xTool Metal Fab, which is not out yet, but they've got pre-sales going on right now. I'll put links down in the description and more information about that, so check that out. Finally, while I do like making these 3D engraved challenge coins, if this was my primary focus, I'd probably bite the bullet and step up to the F2 Ultra. The extra power and the MOPA fiber laser will really make a huge difference there. So after about a year of using the F1 Ultra, what do I really think about it? This honestly is a very user-friendly and fun-to-use tool. The software walks you through the process without feeling like it's holding your hand and slowing you down. I've used it for a ton of one-off projects as well as large production runs, and it's been nearly flawless. When I first got this machine, I would sometimes have issues when trying to connect to it with Wi-Fi, but after one of the firmware updates, this problem was completely eliminated. The only other issue that I occasionally run into is with the auto alignment. And when doing large runs of parts, occasionally it will be a little off on one of them. It's pretty rare, but still worth mentioning, I think. And while operating the machine is incredibly easy, making adjustments to the laser head can be a little tedious. Now, this is only something that needs to be done if your laser fails the calibration test that's done during the initial startup. I would knock mine out of adjustment to show you guys what I'm talking about, but to be honest, I don't want to spend the next hour having to screw around with it, trying to get it back into focus. It's certainly not impossible, it's just a little tedious in my opinion. And it's not something that everyone is going to need to do, and it's usually just a one and done thing. Again, not a huge deal, but it's definitely worth mentioning. So overall, my experience with the F1 Ultra has been very positive, and it still gets a buy from me. Please don't hesitate to ask any questions in the comments section. And if you are interested in picking up an F1 Ultra or any of the other lasers discussed in this video, check out the description for more information and my affiliate links. When you use one of these links to purchase something, you get the same great price, but I get a small kickback from the company, which really helps me out. Thanks for watching, and I will see everybody next time.